Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to record slow motion videos on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open the camera app on your smartphone. Now from here, just tap on more. Now from here, as you can see, you have the option for slow motion videos and also you have the option for super slow motion videos. Now if you tap on slow motion videos, now from here you can capture slow motion videos with the camera of your smartphone. Just like that. Now if you go back, now from here if you tap on the back button one more time and if you tap on more, now from here if you select super slow motion videos, you can capture super slow motion videos. Just like that. Now as you can see, this is how you can capture super slow motion videos. Now from here, if you want to add the slow motion buttons to this bar in your camera app, just tap on more and tap on the edit button. Now from here, just drag the slow motion button to this bar over here. Now from here, just tap on save. Now as you can see, you have the option for super slow motion videos and the option for slow motion videos on the bar within the camera app. Just like that. And this is how you can record slow motion videos on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.